Ezra didn't come to move stones. He came to move hearts. He devoted his life to a threefold mission: to seek the word, to do the word, and to teach the word to a nation in need. In a palace of gold, Nehemiah Sip's heart was in the ruins. His grief wasn't a sign of weakness. It was the birth of a mission. He traded a royal cup for a construction hammer. Under the cover of midnight, the survey began. He saw the charred gates and the broken walls, silent witnesses to a fallen glory. But where others saw rubble, Nehemiah saw a future. The enemy mocked, and the threats grew, but the builders didn't blink. With a trowel in one hand and a sword in the other, they built the wall in 52 days of sweat and spirit. On a wooden platform, the book was opened. From sunrise to noon, a nation stood in silence as the law was revealed. The wall protected their city. The word restored their soul.
Do not weep, Nehemiah declared, for this day is holy. They turned their sorrow into a feast, for they finally understood. The joy of the Lord is your strength.